Dami-dami ko na naman liligpitin. Diyos ko. Bagyo na yan. Check ko muna yung yung mail bago tayo mag-report. Yeah, check the mail first. Okay, I think I can. Right. Oh, look. Kahit may bagyo, may mail. Wow. Yo, what is up people? Nakita nyo na naman ang pagbumuka ko. Today, merong bagyo dito sa amin. Ang pangalan ng bagyo is Bagyong Ian. So medyo malakas-lakas daw tong bagyo na to. Kaya naman, medyo ready kami. Medyo lang. So marami kaming tubig sa bahay. And meron din kaming generator just in case na mawala ng kurinti. Ayan o. Ayan, so pwede kami mag-run ng rep dyan. Tsaka ng rice cooker na kung ano-ano pa. And meron din kami mga battery pack, maliliit na battery pack para sa mga phones and para sa mga maliliit na gamit. And nandito yung bullbat natin. Ayan, pwede yung pagsaksakan ng ilaw dito sa buong bahay kasi puro LED naman yung mga ilaw namin. Kaya medyo matipid siya magkonsumo ng kuryente. So, ayan, dito tayo sa labas. Kaninang umaga, nawala na ng kuryente dito. Nawala ng kuryente for like 3 hours, I think. And ayun, generator yung ginamit namin. And dito sa labas, medyo magulo na. Ayan, dami na naman kalat. So, ang problema niyan is yung paglilinis pagkatapos ng bagyo. Dami ng mga nalaglag na mga sanga-sanga. And yung mga sasakyan, dito namin pinark, medyo nilayo ko ng konti sa puno. Para just in case na matumbay mga puno, hindi sila mabagsakan. Kung mababagsakan sila ng puno, okay lang. May insurance naman yung mga yan. Pero, you know, hassle. Pero, ayan. Ang lakas ng hangin kanina. So, nasa Daytona pa. Nasa Daytona pa raw yung bagyo. Yung mata ng bagyo. Kaya naman, wala pa. Hindi pa masyadong pumapalo yung bagyo dito sa amin. So, maybe mamayang madaling araw or bukas ng umaga, baka dumating na yung totoong bagyo. Si Ian, kung talagang Ian ka, perwisyo ka. Diyos ko, nanahimik kami dito. Binabagyo mo kami. So, that's Orlando, Florida. Medyo binaha na sila. Nagbagsakan yung mga puno. And hopefully huminahin na ng konti pagdating dito. Ayan, Florida yan. Florida, lagi talagang binabagyo. And hopefully okay lang yung mga tao. And pinag-evacuate naman na sila. So, I'm pretty sure wala naman ng tao dyan. So, kung meron man, siguro yung nagvi-video na lang yung natira. So, that is St. Augustine. Medyo malapit sa amin yan. That's like 2 hours away from where we live. And kung nakikita nyo, meron pang loko-loko nagkakayak doon. You know, mga Floridians talaga, ganyan yan. So, bahana sa malapit na kalapit na parte ng lugar namin. So, hopefully, hindi tayo bahain. So, dito sa likod bahay, tinanggal ko muna yung bubong ng gazebo namin para hindi siya liparin. And meron akong mga nilagay na pampabigat dyan. So, I'm pretty sure na hindi siya liliparin ng hangin. And yung trampoline naman, ayan, kung nakikita nyo, naglagay ako ng mga pabigat na bato, yung mga firewood namin. And hopefully magstay lang siya dyan. Yung playground ng mga bata, hopefully hindi liparin. Pero nakikita nyo, medyo marami ng debris. And ang isang threat sa amin is yung puno na yan. Yan, medyo malaki-laking puno yan eh. Pero napansin ko yung maple tree na yan is actually nagpo-protect siya dito sa bahay namin, lalo sa mga shed. So hopefully magstay siya dyan. And dito sa gilid, meron pa akong isang gas tank na extra. Puno pa yan. And yun, meron nang nalaglag na syanga. Ayan. And nako, bukas ang dami ko liligpitin. Ang daming magiging kalat. So yeah, hopefully yung puno na yan magstay lang dyan. Yung bubong namin, I'm pretty sure is makakasurvive kasi sa ilalim yan shingle, and then sa ibabaw yero. So hindi katulad ng mga kapitbahay namin na puro shingles yung mga bubong. Ayan, yung mga shingles kasi madaling matanggal, lalo na pag sobrang lakas ng hangin. Yung bubong namin, I'm pretty sure na magiging okay lang yan kahit gaano pa kalakas yung hangin. And bumabalik na naman yung hangin. Dito tayo sa likod. Medyo marami ng kalat dito. Ito yung kayak ko. Ayan, hindi nyo pa siguro nakikita yan. Pero just in case na bumaha, meron tayong kayak malaki yan. And man, ang dami talagang kalat. Itong puno na to, I'm not worried about these kasi maliliit lang itong mga to. So, kung maputol man sila, kung masira man sila, hindi siya makaka-damage ng matindi. Sa Philippines, naka-experience na ako ng mga malalakas na bagyo na ganyan. Kaya lang noon, wala pa akong pakialam noon kasi bata pa ako noon. Matter of fact, nung mga bata kami, pag bumabagyo, masaya pa kami kasi makapag-swimming kami sa baha. Makapaglaro kami sa tubig, ulan, all day long. Pero ngayon, big deal na kasi meron na akong mga gamit na masisira, bahay, mga sasakyan, mga kids na baka may stranded kami dito. But I'm not too worried about it. Dito kasi konting baha lang, nag-freak out sila. And I kind of understand that now, you know, being as, you know, as an adult, now nare-realize ko na kung bakit nag-freak out yung mga tao dito pagka may baha. Kasi pag nagkabaha, now hindi ka makakapunta sa store kasi bahang-baha. And yung mga rescuer, may hirapan silang magpunta sa lugar mo kasi nga baha. And kaya naman, prepared kami dito. Marami kaming pagkain, marami kaming tubig. Kung mawawala ng kuryente, meron ako generator, meron kami mga battery packs, and lahat ng mga gamit, yung mga sheds and yung trampoline, you know, nilagyan ko ng mga pabigat, yung mga shed ko, nilagyan ko ng mga strap para hindi liparin, yung mga sasakyan, nilagay ko dito, yung motor, nasa labas. Gusto ko sana mag-motovloggeries today. Kaya lang, yun nga, bumabagyo. Shutdown kami ng mga 5 araw, so wala kaming work. Kaya, ayun. Ito. Sa bahay lang kami. Hopefully, walang matumbang puno. Yun lang, yun lang yung iniisip ko ngayon eh. Yung puno na matutumba, baha, okay lang yan. So, ayan. Soon, magmo-motovloggerist ulit ako. At ayan na ang malakas na hangin. Pero okay lang yan. This is what I was saying earlier. Parang binablock niyo yung hangin para hindi kami tamaan masyado. Dito sa kinatatayuan ko ngayon. Oh, yeah. Lakas ng hangin, never mind. Yeah, never mind, malakas pala yung hangin. Kala ko walang hangin dito eh. Good news, medyo lumilihis na yung bagyo and medyo lumalayo na sa amin. Pero Jacksonville is getting hit pretty hard right now. You see the news, Iya? See the reporters? You want to be a reporter when you grow up?
Sure.
Sure? You want to do a practice test right now if you can be a reporter? You want to do it?
Yeah.
You sure?
I'm not sure if I can be good at reporting.
Oh, let's try it then. Yeah, pag-reportin natin siya doon tayo sa labas. Wala pa namang hangin eh. So, that would be fine. Alright, let's go. Dress up. Come on. We're gonna do a report.
Hi guys, it's Angel Chance here. And today we are going to be reporting about the news. Okay, you know what? Wait, cut that part.
Okay, we'll cut that part. Okay.
Hi guys, it's Angel Chance here. Today we are going to be reporting about the hurricane in St. Mary's and in Jacksonville. So, as you can see, it is really windy right here and there is like rain and it's really cold here. Also, there is a lot of debris on the ground. Also, but it's not really that bad in St. Mary's. I think you're gonna be fine. Also, if you live in St. Mary's, you're probably good. Also, Jacksonville is a lot worse because there is a lot of flood in Jacksonville and it's super duper windy in Jacksonville. And well, also guys, if you are in Jacksonville, make sure to be safe and stay at home. Okay, back to Daddy.
Dami-dami ko na naman liligpitin. Diyos ko. Ang bagyo na yan. Check ko muna yung mail bago tayo mag-report. Yeah, check the mail first. Okay, I think I can. Oh, look. Kahit may bagyo, may mail. Wow. Alright. So, kung nakikita nyo, medyo yung hangin is hindi siya ganun katindi. And yung cameraman ko, camera personnel ko doon, hopefully inawakan niya ng maayos yung camera kasi naka-zoom. And yeah, konting ulan pa lang, konting hangin. Maybe lumalakas na konti. Pero yun nga, wala akong kwentang reporter eh. Pasok na lang ako sa loob. Malamig. Alright, that's good. Alright, Iya did good on her reporting, pero inabot kami ng mga 5 take. What do you think? You want to be a reporter now? Like for real? Huh?
Yeah, I'm still have to
You still
practice, keep practicing to be a professional reporter.
You want to be a professional reporter?
Yeah, maybe when I grow up.
Yeah.
You know, they make
good.
lots of money and stuff.
Yeah, they do. Because they're on TV. Look at them. They all look nice, wearing suits and dress, and all they have to do is talk in front of the camera and tell you what's going on all over the place. All right, now what are we gonna do?
I'm not so sure yet.
All right, well, let's go to sleep then.
No, I want to do something else instead of sleeping. Your hobby is sleeping.
What? Whoa, don't tell them that.
Or editing videos.
And then?
And
That's not my hobby. My hobby is bicycles.
yeah, and fishing.
Fishing, yeah, that's right. That's what I'm talking about.
Nuts. But you were sleeping on the couch earlier.
Well, I gotta go to sleep too. I was up all night long to watch you guys and take care of you guys. You think I was up just doing nothing? I was watching the weather and making sure you guys are safe.
Okay, well, let me tell you something.
Tell me something.
So when I was just sleeping in the bedroom, I noticed that the lights were out because I
Yeah.
thought I was blind.
Yeah, the light went out, the power went out, that's why.
But I realized the lights weren't working. That's because of the hurricane, guys. That's because, okay, so guys, if you're at home and if there's something
Oh,
like
ikaw na
that,
mag-vlog, oh.
and okay, so
Yan naman ako sa'yo.
okay, also if that happened to you at home, it's probably because of the hurricane. Yeah, it's probably because of that. So
Yeah.
you have to panic about it because.
Don't do that. Just if you're vlogging, don't shake the camera. All right, tell them. Go talk.
About what?
About, I don't know, what was you talking about earlier?
Alright guys, so that was a really good report over there and
You did a pretty good report.
yeah, yeah, but I have to keep practicing more and more to be a reporter, like a professional reporter. Also, they make good money
That's right.
because they're on TV and they're talking about the news and stuff like that.
I just told her that now.
So now I'm bored. So maybe we can do something like TikToks or something, or maybe
What kind of TikTok are you talking about here?
like dancing.
I don't know how to dance.
That's because you never ever practice dancing and that
I
you're really
did,
bad
but-
at dancing.
I'm not really
Oh.
bad. I don't dance.
Yeah, you're very
That's,
bad.
that's all. What? She said, yeah, you're really bad. How about you dance?
I don't want to dance. Actually, I think I want to do another TikTok.
You know what you need to do? Do a TikTok of your drawing.
Yes!
Yeah, we're gonna do a time lapse of your drawing. Show them your drawings real quick. Magaling mag-drawing to si Iya.
No.
So go get your drawings real quick.
Why?
You was just drawing earlier.
Yeah, but they're bad.
It's not bad, baby. Go get it. It's not bad.
I'll show you my first one that I did really good on.
Where you going, son?
Marsha's temperature.
Is it raining?
It's raining.
It is raining, son. You can't be out there. Look, we can't go anywhere. You can't have fun today. What you gonna do?
Wow.
Yeah, it's water. Water all over the place, bro. Let me see.
Okay, here, my drawing right here.
Look, she's really good on drawing.
Also, look at the back.
Look at that.
Right here.
Diba? You should,
Yeah.
if you want to do like TikToks, don't be like everybody else who dances and sings and be unique. You got a talent, like I can make a time-lapse video of your drawing. That can be entertaining for other people. And
This
matter
one
of
is
fact-
a little squiggly. It has a hole right here.
Ay, nasa na nga pala
Like,
yung drawing niya sa school? Yung pinambato ng district. Iya actually got a drawing sa library museum kasi nanalo siya ng drawing competition.
So like my drawing, it was like a shark drawing, and I
Kita
was
mo,
like chosen.
naintindihan
Like
niya
you know,
yung
I think
Tagalog.
it's gonna be in the library in Brunswick.
Brunswick, Georgia, right?
Yeah.
I don't know. Can you make a TikTok for kids?
I don't have TikTok.
You don't have a TikTok?
I want to make my first TikTok then.
Let's do it. First TikTok while you're drawing.
Yeah, I want to me drawing a TikTok while you holding the camera.
Yeah, well, I'm not gonna hold the camera. I'm gonna.
But why?
It's gonna be on the tripod.
Also with some music.
Of course, we'll put music on. I'll edit it for you, okay?
Yeah, but I want it to be fast, not slow.
Yeah, it's gonna be.
Like you know,
Like a time lapse.
Like other people.
Yeah.
Like zoom in.
Yeah. Zoom in.
And then it's perfect.
Yeah, it is. Okay. All right. So, I think we should eat some lunch. I'm hungry.
Then go eat if you're hungry.
All right. Well, let's end the video then.
Yeah.
Yo. Okay. Now, what you want to do?
No.
Why not?
Daddy.
What happened? Tell me.
Daddy.
Go tell me. Bulong mo. Don't worry. Naririnig ka kasi narinig pa ni Mami. So tell me about it. What happened? What? Really? What else?
It's true.
It is true. What is this? What's this?
Beard.
Beard. That's right. Oh yeah. All right. I think you're sleepy, baby.
Beard.
I know it's my beard.
Beard.
You like my beard? You want
Beard.
beard too? See, look, it's thick and shiny and fluffy. put shampoo on that thing every single day. I even put shampoo in my nose hair. Well, I guess tapusin na natin to vlog na to kasi inaantok na si Marshall. And standby kami sa news. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. At lagi niyong tatandaan mga herb. Love, peace, and happiness lang. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.
Say peace.
Yep, as I just said. As I just said. I did.
Say peace.
Peace.
Say peace.
Peace.
Say peace. Go.
Peace.
Go.
What's wrong with you? Kulit mo, ha? Peace.